What if I told you the habit you were taught to build wealth is actually keeping you broke? Most people believe saving money makes you rich, but the wealthy play a completely different game. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. From childhood, we hear the same advice. Save money, save money, save money. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Saving money alone has never made anyone wealthy. Saving protects money, but investing multiplies it. And the rich understand this difference better than anyone. Let's be clear. Saving money is not bad. You absolutely need emergency savings. But here's where most people get trapped. They stop at saving. While their money sits quietly in the bank, inflation slowly eats its value every single year. So even though your balance goes up, your purchasing power goes down. The rich, they refuse to let money sit idle. Instead of asking, how much can I save? The wealthy ask a different question. Where can I put this money so it grows? They move money into assets like businesses, stocks, real estate, cash flow investments. Because the goal is not to store money, the goal is to make money work for you. Here's the cycle most people never notice. Average earners do this: earn, save, spend, repeat. But the wealthy follow a different loop: earn, invest, grow, repeat. See the difference? One cycle keeps money moving, the other makes money multiply. And this small shift changes everything over time. Now, this does not mean you should stop saving completely. Smart beginners follow a simple 3-step approach. Step 1, build a small emergency fund. Step 2, start learning basic investing. Step 3, consistently move extra money into growth assets. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to ever become rich. Most people spend their lives saving money, while the wealthy spend their lives growing it. Now that you know the difference, which side will you choose? And in the next video, I'll show you the first asset beginners should buy. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.